The Atkins Diet, a comprehensive guide to weight loss and health. The quest for a healthier lifestyle and effective weight loss has led to the emergence of various diets over the years. One of the most notable diets that has gained popularity is the Atkins Diet. The principles, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Atkins Diet. We will provide a thorough understanding of its approach to achieving weight loss and improved well-being. Introduction to the Atkins Diet. The Atkins Diet, devised by Dr. Robert C. Atkins in the 1960s, is a low-carbohydrate eating plan to promote weight loss and overall health. Unlike traditional diets focusing on calorie counting, the Atkins Diet emphasizes limiting carbohydrate intake while allowing higher consumption of proteins and fats. By altering how the body processes nutrients, the diet encourages the body to burn stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. The 4 phases of the Atkins Diet. The Atkins Diet is divided into 4 distinct phases. Induction phase. This initial phase, lasting about 2 weeks, restricts carbohydrate intake to 20–25 grams daily. During this period, the body enters a state of ketosis, utilizing fat as the primary energy source. Balancing phase. In this phase, you gradually reintroduce certain carbohydrates to determine your carb tolerance. This allows you to identify the amount of carbs you can consume while losing weight effectively. Pre-maintenance phase. As you approach your weight loss goal, this phase helps you fine-tune your carb intake to find the balance to maintain weight loss without further shedding pounds. Maintenance phase. The final phase emphasizes sustaining the eating habits developed in the previous stages. You can increase your carb intake slightly, focusing on nutrient-dense carbs and maintaining your weight loss achievements. How the Atkins Diet works. The Atkins Diet operates on the principle that reducing carb intake forces the body to burn fat for energy, leading to ketosis. This metabolic state encourages weight loss and can positively affect blood sugar levels. Benefits of the Atkins Diet. Weight loss. One of the most significant benefits of the Atkins Diet is its potential for effective weight loss. By shifting the body's metabolism to burn fat, individuals often experience rapid initial weight loss. Improved blood sugar control. The diet's low-carb approach can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Enhanced heart health. The Atkins Diet may improve heart health by reducing triglycerides, blood pressure, and inflammation markers. Increased HDL cholesterol levels. A higher intake of healthy fats can lead to increased high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, often called good cholesterol. Stay tuned for the rest of the article to explore more about the Atkins Diet and its impact on health and weight loss.